Most people who want to make money online run into the same problem. There are way too many options. Drop shipping, Amazon FBA, print on demand, crypto trading, YouTube, blogging. It's all just overwhelming. And the truth is, most of those models are either oversaturated, expensive, or just plain slow to get results. That's why the majority of beginners quit. But here's the good news. In 2025, there is one business model that's not only easier to start, but it also scales way faster than all of the others. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start a business that can realistically hit $500 a day, even if you're starting completely from scratch. And stick with me, because at the end, I'll give you a free resource that shortcuts the whole setup. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Okay, so let's start with the competition. The models everyone tells you, jump into it, like drop shipping. Sounds good, right? Low upfront costs, trending products, but the reality is the margins are tiny. You might make $2 to $3 profit per sale, and then you're stuck dealing with all the shipping delays, customer complaints, and refunds when that product breaks in 10 minutes. Not to mention the amount you're going to have to pump into ads just to get a sale in the first place. Then there's Amazon FBA. Everyone says it's a golden ticket. But to even get started, you need thousands just to buy inventory, ship it to Amazon, and then hope it sells. Add on storage fees, seller fees, and the fact that you're competing against Amazon itself. Yeah, good luck with that. This is why most people fail. They burn cash, they burn time, and they get nothing in return. But here's the thing. There's one model that strips away all of that. No inventory, no massive startup costs, no customer service headaches, and that's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. You don't create the product, you don't handle delivery, you don't deal with customer support. You just recommend something that people already want, and you get paid when they buy. It's literally the lowest barrier way to start earning money online. All you need is Wi-Fi and a phone. That's it. Now, here's why it's even better in 2025. 2 reasons. Short form content and AI tools. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are pumping billions of views every single day. And they don't care if you've got 100k followers or none at all. If your video gets engagement, the algorithm will push it to more people. So instead of spending years building a huge audience, you can start getting attention in days. Post short, valuable clips that solve little problems. And drop your link in the description. That's it. And when you tie this to affiliate products that are either high ticket or reoccurring monthly subscriptions, that potential snowballs. It's like if Netflix paid you $15 a month for every friend you recommended. You'd start with a few, but then it would stack up. And suddenly, you're earning every single month, whether you're working or not. That's why affiliate marketing wins in 2025. It's simple, it's scalable, and it's proven. Okay, so let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets real. Let's say you're promoting a $50 digital product that pays you 50% commission. That's $25 per sale in your pocket. To hit $500 a day, you'd need 20 sales. That's it. Not 200, not 2,000, just 20 people buying a $50 product. Or let's say it's a $100 product with a 50% commission. That's $50 per sale. Now you only need 10 sales per day. And here's where it gets exciting. Reoccurring income. Imagine you're promoting a $30 a month subscription that pays you $15 every month that someone stays subscribed. Get 334 active subscribers and boom, that's $5k a month baseline before you even touch new sales. And subscriptions compound. If you're adding 20 new subscribers a month, by month 6, you've got 120 paying you every single month. By month 12, That's 240. That's how people quietly build $500 a day systems that grow into $1,000 a day systems, $2,000 and beyond. When you see the math laid out, it's not some impossible dream. It's just simple system stacking. So how do you start? Well, first, you need to pick a niche that you enjoy. Ideally fitness, money hacks, relationships, or hobbies. And stick to something that's evergreen, so it will always be relevant. Next, you need to set up a simple 3-page funnel. An opt-in page where people grab your freebie in exchange for their email. A bridge page where you thank them and recommend your product. And an offer page, which is already built for you by the product creator. And finally, you want to post short-form content every single day. Solve micro problems, drop value, and always point people to your freebie link. That's the engine that drives traffic into your funnel. And the best part is, it doesn't require a huge budget or any crazy tech skills. You just need consistency. That's how you stack commissions fast. So let's recap. Affiliate marketing in 2025 is simple, it's scalable, and it's proven. The math makes sense, the system is straightforward, and once you start, it compounds. $500 a day isn't some dream. It's just about plugging into the right model and letting leverage do all the heavy lifting for you. Now, if you want to shortcut the whole process, then I've put together a free affiliate starter pack. It's got the templates, the tools, and a funnel walkthrough to help you get started fast. You can grab that from the link in the description below. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.